how to make Shopify store live. To show you this, we have to first go to our online store, and the way we do this is we go to the left hand side and click on online store, and from the drop down here you want to go to preferences, and the first thing you see here in my case is your online store is password protected. This means that visitors who don't have the password can't access your store, because only the ones with the password can enter. So you can either click here, remove password, or you can scroll down until you see password protection here, and you want to here where it says restrict access to visitors with the password, you want to untick this box, make sure it's not selected, and now you want to go up here and click on save so it saves the changes. And now, as you can see, the online store is open to everyone. And that's how you make a Shopify store live. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.